Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can open a stuck camera lens for your GoPro 5, 6, 7, or 8. So if for some reason this becomes too hard to open, you can't actually use your hand to open it because it's too tight, then here's how you can use a plastic cutter that you have available to open up the lens. So I'll probably just need 2 or 3 of this. So I'm just going to use 2. And what you want to do is put the cut into the gaps right here. So you can put your fingernail in and then try to create a small gap. And then put the gap in here. The purpose of this is to make sure that the lens is gone out a little bit, because in order for you to remove the lens, the lens cover, you need to kind of like pull out and twist. And because this can be hard, if you have a weak hand, then you can use the card. So I'm going to zoom out a little bit so you can see what am I doing, and then kind of move the cut in that directions. And in here, I'm going to place another cut at the bottom here, and that will generate a small gap at the bottom. So just gently doing this. You don't have to force it. Just be gentle and put a cut in. It can be a little bit hard, but if you put it in a little bit, there it is. And then from here, you can just kind of like twist. And because now that the lens already come out, then it's a lot easier to twist it. So you can see now it become easier to twist with the card. And that's it. So once you do that, then the whole thing will come off. And now one of the things that when using the card is that it can sometimes cause damage to the rubbers around the edge here. So you would want to do this as a last resort. Now another solution to the cards. So if you don't want to use the card, then I can show you another way how you can open it. And I find it's much better with this way. So I'm just going to first close the lens. So now it is closed. And what I would want to show you is that you can use this spanner here to open it. So you can put the spanner in like this and then just twist it. This is much easier. But if you don't have the spanner, then perhaps this is the next best option. But if you got a spanner, or if it's even got a spanner icon right here, look at this. So spanner. So how does it know? I don't know. That must be in settings or something. Okay, so what you want to do is using the spanner and then just kind of like twist a little bit, just a little bit, just so that it has a little bit of movement, and then you can use your hand to open it, and then that's it. So from here you can put it back on. So make sure the lens is on the right angle. You can't just put it in any angle. It has to be in the correct angle for you to put it back in. And then push it in. So push the lens down and then twist, and that will close the lens. And that's it. So a spanner with a spanner on here, in here, you can use it to open your lens as well. Not just the card, but yeah, if you haven't got a spanner, then perhaps you can use this card tricks to open the lens as well. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.